is Vansh Patel and today I am going to do the experiment in osmosis. So basically osmosis is a process in which water depends on the cell membrane of the solute concentration inside and outside the cell. So the experiment is, so here I have a boiled potato and here I have the raw potato. So first I need to make a cavity inside both of them. So let's make it.
So here we have the cavity
Inside our raw potato, as you can see, and here we are going to do on the boiled potato.
So here we have
the cavity inside the boiled potato. So now what we are gonna do is we need to take some salt. As you can see, I have a salt over here. Then we need to fill up the holes with salt. So let's
so the boiled potato is covered
with salt, and now it's the time for the raw potato. So let's do on the raw potato. So we have filled up both the holes with salt. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna take another bowl, place both the potatoes in it, as you can see over here, and fill up till the half potatoes are in the water.
So here
We have our potatoes in the water. So we need to leave this potato for 2 hours and then we'll see what happens.
2 hours later.
So we are here after 2 hours, and as you can see, in the boiled potato there is no water, and in the raw potato there is water. So this is because salt in the raw potato, and in the raw potato drains out water from the inner lining of the cavity, and this is due to osmosis. So this same process happens to roots in the plant. Thank you.